children, in today's session, we should learn the remaining part of the grammar in worksheet 2, the race. Here we see in the vocabulary section some emotions of humans, and they have given some hints in the hint box. So, choose the right option and write it under the picture. First one, he was confused. Second one, he was tired. Third one, he was excited. Fourth one, he was scared. Okay? Remaining 3 blanks, try on your own children. What are the remaining emotions? Find out and write under the picture. Next, moving on to page 12, punctuation. Rewrite these sentences with capital letters in the correct places. Before that, once again, let me revise again the usage of capital letter. Here, see how to place capital letter and full stop. The girl is playing the piano. Now notice the beginning and end of the sentence here. The word "the" starts with the capital letter because it is the first word of the sentence. The sentence also ends with a full stop. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. The pronoun I is written in a capital letter wherever it appears. For example, Amit and I are brothers. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. For example, she gave the book to Kamlesh. Here the word Kamlesh is proper noun, as it is the name of the person. Next one, question mark. Look at this sentence. How many cookies did you eat? This is a question. Notice the symbol used at the end of the sentence. It is called a question mark. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. Let us look at the examples. What color is the dog? Will you play with me? Next one, exclamation mark. An exclamation mark indicates strong emotion such as anger, fear, love, etc. It can also be used to indicate a command. For example, stop. Few more examples. Ouch, that hurts. Don't do that. Now children, come back to page number 12. Here see first one. Dr. Kapoor works at the General Hospital in Mumbai. Here first starting letter D. That's why we should use D capital letter, and the name of the person Kapoor. K starting letter capital, and here place, one place name Mumbai. So starting letter in Mumbai we should use capital M. Okay, end of the sentence we should use full stop. And the second one, Divya and Priya attend modern high school on Elegant Road. So children, here also we should use in the names Divya and Priya first letter capital letter, and here Elegant, name of the place. That's why we should use capital E. End of the sentence we should use full stop. Okay. Third one, they went on a holiday to an Iceland in the Arabian Sea. Here starting letter in the sentence capital T, And here one place Iceland. So that's why we should use capital I, and Arabian, A, capital A. End of the sentence we should use full stop. Okay children. Now remaining fourth and fifth, try on your own. So moving on to next one. Rewrite these sentences with exclamation marks or question marks. Just now we learned the how to use of exclamation marks and question marks. First one, when will the doctor arrive? Here children we should use question mark because when. They are asking when. Question. That's why we should use end of the sentence question mark. And the second one, ouch, this hurts. Okay. Here which symbol we should use children? Exclamation symbol. Okay. Next one, try on your own. Next one, moving to the next page children, writing section. Join these sentences using the correct word from the brackets. Yes, children, before that, once have a look how to use of because, but, however, and although. Okay, have a look. Joining sentences using but. Look at this picture. The children want to play in the park. It is raining. Do you find any connection between the two sentences? Yes. The two sentences communicate opposite ideas. In the given example, we have connected the two sentences with opposite ideas using the word but. The children want to play in the park, but it is raining. Next one, because. Because is used to show or give reason. It is followed by a complete sentence with its own subject and verb. For examples, she usually eats at home because she likes cooking. The girl ran because she was afraid. Okay? Next one, however. Connects two sentences as meaning. We can express a contrast by using the adverb however with two sentences. It is always followed by a comma. For example, my father denies, however, that the project has been cancelled. Second one, scientists disagree with this theory. However, it's never been proven right. Next one, although. Although means in spite of something. It can be used at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence, but it does not have a comma afterwards. For example, although it rained all day, we enjoyed the football match very much. She failed in the math exam, although she studied very hard. Okay children, hope all of you understood the point. So children, come back to page number 30. Let's read one by one and make a single sentence out of the given two. First one, there is more air pollution. We are cutting down a lot of trees. Here see children, they given two words for us, because or but. Here we choose the correct answer, because. There is more air pollution because we are cutting down a lot of trees. Here we giving the reason. That's why we select the answer because. Second one, Tony's car is 15 years old. It still looks new. Tony's car is 15 years old. However, it still looks new. Okay? Next one. Mars is like the earth. People cannot live on it. It is very hot. Mars is like earth, but people cannot live. But people cannot live. Two opposite sentences. Okay? That's why we choose here but. Because it is very hot. What is the reason? Because it is very hot. Okay? Fourth one. There is plenty of water in the seas. We cannot drink it. It is very salty. See children, here we should use although. Why? What is the reason? Because of plenty of water in the seas. But cannot drink it. Because what is the reason? The water is very salty. Sea water. Okay? That's why we should use here although. There is plenty of water in the seas. We cannot drink it because it is very salty. Understood? So, children, today's work, read and write page number 11, 12, 13 grammar in workbook. Thank you.